In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Hostinger Hpanel. By the end, you'll be signed in, managing your hosting, connected to a domain, email ready, and set up to upload your site files with a database if your project needs one. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your control room, and from here you can access everything related to your hosting and services. From the dashboard, click Hosting. You'll see a list of your hosting plans. Find the website or plan you want to work on and open it. If you have multiple plans, make sure you choose the one that corresponds to the domain or project you're setting up today. Next, click Manage. This takes you into Hpanel for that specific hosting plan. Think of Hpanel as the toolbox where you'll connect your domain, set up email, upload files, and manage databases. Now connect your domain. If your domain was purchased through Hostinger and attached during checkout, it may already be linked. If it's registered elsewhere, you'll need to point it to Hostinger by updating your domain's name servers or DNS at your registrar. After pointing the domain, allow time for DNS propagation. It can be quick, but in some cases may take up to 24 hours. Back in Hpanel, make sure the domain appears under your hosting and is set as the main domain or added as an add-on if appropriate. As a best practice, once it's connected, enable a free SSL in Hpanel so visitors won't see security warnings. Set up email so your domain has a professional inbox. In Hpanel, open the email section, create a new mailbox, and set a strong password. You can access webmail directly from Hostinger, and if you want to use an app like Outlook or your phone's mail app, Hostinger shows the IMAP and SMTP settings. For better deliverability, ensure SPF and DKIM records are enabled. Hostinger typically configures these automatically when you use their DNS. Upload your website files next. Open File Manager in Hpanel and navigate to public HTML, which is the web root for your main domain. Upload your site files there. If your site is zipped, upload the archive and use extract to speed things up. Make sure your homepage file, like index.html or your CMS installer, sits in public.html. If your site requires a database, create one in the My School Databases section. Add a database and a user, and note the database name, username, password, and host. You can import an existing .sql file using PeepMyAdmin. Finally, connect your site to the database through its installer or configuration file. That's it. Log in, open hosting, click Manage, connect your domain, set up email, upload files, and create a database if needed. Test your domain, and you're ready to go.